Hello and welcome back to Digital Asset Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. The U.S. Fed economists exploring intrinsic value drivers of the CBDC. And from a theoretical standpoint, the introduction of a central bank digital currency raises long-standing questions relating to the provision of public and private money and the ability of the central bank to use CBDC as a means for transmitting monetary policy directly to households. Then we have inside the regulatory sandbox effects on fintech funding from the BIS, which is the Bank for International Settlement. And the sandbox initiative is what the temporary legality to use something that hasn't had the regulatory clarity in a sense of a bad definition, but that's basically what it means. So entry into the sandbox is associated with a higher probability of raising funding and an increase of about 15% in the average amount of funding raised. And the evidence suggests that regulatory sandboxes improve access to funding by reducing information asymmetries and regulatory costs for three reasons. First, the positive effect of sandbox entry on capital raised. It's particularly pronounced for smaller and younger firms, which are usually subject to more severe informational frictions. And second, the sandbox entry is followed by an increase in first-time investors and in the share of investors that are based outside the UK. So these investors are likely to face greater information asymmetries due to either geographical distance or a lack of previous relationships. So finally, they find that firms with a CEO who has a personal background in financial law benefit less from sandbox entry. This is in line with anecdotal evidence that CEOs without prior experience in financial regulation benefit more from the guidance provided by case officers during the process of attaining authorization. On the next article, we have UK Treasury to provide framework on stablecoins. So you can see how this all aligns nicely together. Private stablecoins could transform the way people store and exchange their money, said HM Treasury. In brief, the UK Treasury will put out guidelines on private stablecoins. It thinks that private stablecoins could change the way people handle money if the risks are managed effectively. And the Bank of England is already researching central bank digital currencies. And obviously one of our favorite is Stellar for how much it is expanding the industry with stablecoins and CBDCs. Another thing I'd like to discuss is the XRP fork. Flare is now supported by one more major exchange. Bitbay, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in East Central Europe, is set to participate in Flare's Spark airdrop. And then Binance is expected to follow suit. So you can see how things are moving nicely and quickly in the UK. Also, too, the Flare airdrop is, the snapshot is expected on December 12th. So if you're doing that or interested in doing that, you may want to get your things set up quickly so that you will be in a line for the snapshot and the airdrop. Also, too, what I find interesting is the U.S. Electoral College electors formally cast their votes on December 14 and on January 6, 2021. So you can see the end of Q4 and the beginning of Q1. And again, right aligning nicely with the December 12th snapshot. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. And I'm going to leave you with a final thought. The future belongs to those who see possibilities before they become obvious. So if you're here, you're an early investor, a contrarian investor, you obviously saw the possibility before those in the masses began to see what's obvious. Remember, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Much love. We'll catch you in the next one.